Passive income isn't a myth. I literally made $500 this week testing websites while binge watching my favorite shows. Let me break down exactly how you can do this too. First, sign up on UserTesting and UserBrain. These companies pay you $10 to $60 per test to share your thoughts while browsing websites. The best part? Most tests take just 15 to 20 minutes. Here's the strategy I used. I kept both sites open on my laptop and enabled notifications. Every time a new test popped up, I grabbed it immediately. The key is speed. Tests fill up fast. Pro tip: complete your profile thoroughly and take the practice test seriously. This gets you more high-paying opportunities. I focused on testing during peak hours, weekdays, between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The math is simple. I completed 4 to 5 tests daily, earning roughly $30 to $40 per hour. That's better than most part-time jobs, and I did it all from my living room. You don't need any special skills, just the ability to speak your thoughts clearly while navigating websites. Companies want real user feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Important: be honest in your feedback and maintain a professional tone. This keeps your rating high and the tests coming. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's legitimate work that fits perfectly into your daily routine. Start with one platform, get comfortable, then expand to maximize your earnings. Tip: set up a separate PayPal account for your earnings. It keeps things organized and feels amazing watching that balance grow while you relax at home.